Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a weekend and today I would like to show you how to make oats breakfast. This is the oats I'm going to use and other ingredients that I'm going to show you, and I hope you're keeping safe and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and be part of the family. For today's oats pancake, the following are ingredients that I'm going to use. This is the oats that I'm going to use today, and I have sugar, 2 eggs. I also have an orange. I'm going to use the orange peelings on my pancakes. And then this is self-raising flour, and I'll add some cooking oil. I'm going to show you the process, and yes, we're going to enjoy them today. So guys, let's get started. So guys, get your 2 eggs ready, and I'm going to whisk them. So once I'm good to go, and I'm going to mix my ingredients here. So this is what is going to happen. Add my sugar here. So guys, my egg and sugar are ready, and then I'm going to add this is the orange, and then this is orange peelings and juice. Yes, this is the seedless orange, not the other normal orange. And then I'm going to add my self-raising flour. And then get to whisk. Little by little, I'm going to add some water, some lukewarm water, until you get it the way you want it. Yes, I need to add some little more water for me to get the consistency that I want. When you whisk, it's easier. When you use a spoon, it's a little bit hectic. But if you don't have this whisk, you can still use a fork or anything that can serve the purpose. Yes, and then I'm going to add cooking oil because I'm not going to use it anymore. This is where I'm going to add, and then whisk it again. Yes, now it's okay. So this is the stage where I'm going to add oats because I want them as all as they are. I hope you get me. And then we get to cooking our pancakes. Yes guys, this is how it looks. if you see it well. Just do it slowly, and then we are good to go. So it's ready, we can proceed to cooking. So guys, this is our first pancake. Let's put it here. Remember, I already added cooking oil, so I'm not adding any more cooking oil. You can see my oats and other things that I put there. Yes, that's my orange peelings. Yes, so let's see how it goes. But I know they are so yummy. I have tried them before and they are worth it. Let's keep eating healthy, because health is rich. When you're rich and you're not healthy, there's no life there. So let's get to enjoy healthy things. Turn. This is how nice it looks. Give it time for the other side to get ready, also to get to cook well. Make sure you're on low heat for them not to overcook. Yes, again, remember, I'm not going to use any more cooking oil because I already added cooking oil to my mixture here. So let it cook and then we get to enjoy. So guys, I think the other side is ready. Yes, it's cooked well. You can see it's cooked well. And we are good to go. So let's have our next pancake ready. Give it time to cook on one side and then flip it on the other side for it to get cooked well. If you like It's My Way, you can serve your pancakes, your oats pancake with cardamom tea. I'm telling you, you'll just love it. And that is exactly what I'm going to do for my family, my small family. Yes, so guys, I'm going to flip it. It's still okay on this other side. And make sure you're using low heat so that it doesn't turn brown more than this. So guys, my other pancake is ready and it's good to go. So guys, my third pancake is good to turn. to time and you're gonna eat it. Make sure it's cooked. Well, give it time, but that doesn't mean it has to turn very dark brown for it to get cooked. No. Let it get ready the other side and then you get to eat. Flip it on the other side and it's ready to go. Give it 1 second on the other side and then you get to remove it and you're good to go. So guys, it's good to go. My pancakes are ready and they're very nice looking. So I'm going to add honey. I'm going to add honey. I love honey. Then we're going to get to enjoy. Yes. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more of these videos on cooking and trying out new recipes. So don't be left out. Share with your family and let's get connected.